Sir, can anyone confirm board is visible? Okay. Thank you, sir. Sir, we were going to continue with yesterday class. Yes, tell me, sir. No, total board is that much only, sir. Now it is okay. Okay, fine, fine. Yes. Now we were going to continue with yesterday class. We were talking about pH values. pH, how to find out pH. Sir, carefully can you see that? When I'm trying to talk about power of hydrogen, for strong acids, strong bases I'm talking. Strong acids and then strong bases, how to find out pH value I'm going to talk. See carefully. For strong acid is when I can say strong acid means the acid which is 100% dissociation taking place. Dissociation taking place. Okay. Even strong base also 100% should dissociation taking place. Taking place. Sir, carefully. I am going to write one definition. Sir, total number of molecules or atoms or ions. Molecules dissociated, dissolved. For example, sir, here total I didn't write. Here see, then total number of molecule dissolved, total number of molecules dissociated. Total you know it, number of molecule dissociated by total number of molecule dissolved. Dissociated. Sir, carefully this definition means what means? For example, sir, in this solution 100 HCl will be there. It means total number of molecule dissolved, how many are there? 100 HCl will be there. If number of molecule dissociate, if it is out of 100 HCl molecule, 100 dissociation taking place, 100 by 100, then will become what? If that out of 100 HCl, whether 50 dissociation taking place means 50 by 100. It means this only. It means total number of molecule. How many? The ratio of number of molecule dissociated by total number of molecule dissolved. That we can call it as alpha. What is this alpha? Is nothing but degree of dissociation. Sir, carefully. Degree of dissociation alpha means number of molecule dissociated means breaking by total number of molecule dissolved. For example, in this 100 HCl molecule dissolution taking place. For example, 100 HCl molecule is there. Out of 100 HCl molecule, how many molecules are dissociated? You got my point. It means when I'm talking about strong acid, strong bases, alpha value is how much, sir? Can anybody tell me? 1. Very good. It means strong acid is 100% dissociation taking place. Whether it is 100 there, 200 there, 300 there, 400 there. Given n number of molecules, all dissociated into, all dissociation will take place. For strong acid, strong bases, alpha is equal to 1. What is that alpha? Degree of dissociation. What is the degree of dissociation? Number of molecule dissociated by total number of molecules dissolved. For example, see, for strong acid, alpha is equal to 1. For strong base, alpha is equal to 1. Can anybody tell me weak acid, weak bases? It is that alpha less than 1 or greater than 1 or equal to 1? Less than 1. Why? Because total number of molecule dissolved, here number of sum of the molecule will dissociation taking place. That may be 50 percentage, that may be 70, that may be 90, that may be 95, but not 100 percentage. You got my point? It means the degree of dissociation alpha, the degree of dissociation alpha for strong acid and then strong bases is equal to 1. But weak acid and then weak bases alpha is less than 1. Correct? Yes, it means carefully see, I am not talking about this, sir. I am talking about strong acid, strong bases. See carefully. When I am trying to talk about pH value, now this is clear, no? Now I am going to say here. When I am trying to talk about the pH value of strong acid and then strong base, concentration of H plus here. Concentration of H plus. How to write, you know, this one. Concentration of H plus. Yes. Concentration of H plus or solution concentration. I can say. Solution concentration. Then we can consider as concentration of H plus. For example, HCl. Concentration of in HCl solution, concentration of H plus is 10 to the power of minus 3, for example. What is that meaning? In this solution, total concentration of H plus only no they gave. Why? Because this is strong acid. Strong acid concentration of H plus they gave is nothing but the total solution. In that, how many number of H plus will be there? The total number of H plus concentration they gave direct. That is the meaning of strong acid. For example, in NaOH solution, concentration of OH minus is, for example, 10 power minus 5. For example, it means when they given concentration of OH minus means this is throughout NaOH solution, total concentration of NaOH only no. Total concentration of OH minus only no. Because this is 100% dissociation. This is also 100% dissociation. How to find out pH value for strong acid, strong base means directly we can use the formula. What is the formula? pH is equal to minus log of concentration of H plus. Strong base how to for POH how to calculate? POH is equal to minus log of concentration of OH minus. Now we know pH plus POH how much will become? pH plus POH will become 14. It means, sir, please, somebody didn't mute, sir. You can mute, sir. Please check, sir, who didn't mute. Okay. Thank you, sir. Sir, still it is there. Sir, can you mute, sir? I think you. Nithilan. Sir, that boy went, I think, he earned and then he went, I think, out of class. Okay. Now can you see, sir, carefully? Here, when I'm talking about for strong acid, strong base, directly I can use that pH is equal to minus log of H plus. Because that H plus concentration when they given, that is total solution concentration. Solution's concentration is nothing but total H plus concentration. Then OH minus concentration, total solution concentration. For that, for pH for strong acid, strong base, I can use directly this formula. pH is equal to minus log of H plus, POH is equal to minus log of OH minus. Then pH plus POH is equal to 14. This is the way we can calculate strong acid and then strong bases. Strong acid and then strong bases. Here, see carefully. Can anybody tell me what are the, for example, question. In given HCl solution, in given HCl solution, concentration of H plus is 10 power minus 4. Concentration of H plus is how much? 10 power minus 4. Then calculate pH value. Sir, HCl is strong acid or not? Yes, HCl is strong acid. HCl is strong acid. Now how to calculate pH value? pH is equal to minus log of concentration of H plus. Now concentration of H plus they themselves they gave. Can you see minus log of 10 to the power of minus 4. Sir, here the formula you can remember. If that log 8, yes sir, very good, 4. Log a to the power of m is equal to m log a, I can write it. But log 10 value is equal to 1. See, log a to the power of m means minus is minus, this will become front 4 log 10. It means what will happen? Minus of minus plus 4 into log 10 means 1. Then it will become 4. It means pH for concentration of H plus is 10 power of minus 4 value is 4. Okay. Now, sir, carefully, the same question in given HCl solution, concentration of H plus is 10 power minus 4. Can anybody tell me what is the pOH value? How to find out pOH? See, when they ask that pOH also, first we should calculate pH. Now we know the very good. 10. pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Now see, pOH is equal to what will happen? 14 minus this is will be 4, 10. Yes. It means you should not think, you should not do that concentration of H plus is 10 power minus 4, pOH is 4, it cannot. Because first we need to calculate pH value. Then you can convert into pOH. Okay. Now, the same typology of question. Can you see, sir, one more? Sir, very important this, because this is starting now. If you go little bit forward, you will understand. In a given solution of NaOH, concentration of OH minus is 10 power minus some anything you can 10 power minus 10, or you can take 10 power minus. For example, I am saying, sir, don't think, okay, 10 to the power of minus 5 I gave. Yes. Then can anybody tell me what is the value of pOH? What is the value of pH? What is the value of pOH? 5. What is the value of pH? 14 minus 5, no? 9. You got, sir? It means just you need to see that whether they given H plus concentration or OH minus concentration. Whether it is strong acid or strong base. Okay, this is the way we can calculate. But when I am talking about for weak acids, it is that question mark. Sir, first I will give the data for weak acids. Weak acids is what? Weak bases is what? Because we should identify now weak acids, weak bases. For example, what are the weak acids is nothing but, can you see, sir, carefully? Hydrogen fluoride is weak acid only, HF. Then nitric oxide, HNO2 also weak acid only. Okay. Formic acid, HCOOH also weak acid. Acetic acid, you know, CH3COOH also weak acid only. Not only that, sir, benzoic acid, even HCN also weak acid. HCN also weak acid. Okay, few more things will be there, that much known. Here, HF is weak acid, HNO3 weak acid, HCOOH weak acid, CH3COOH weak acid, HCN also weak acid. Now we will few things we will see bases also, no? Because we need to identify, no? Bases is nothing but like NH3, NH4 OH is there. This is weak base only. NH4OH is absolutely weak base only. Even ammonia also weak base only. Even ammonia also weak base only. And then when I'm talking about urea, urea, NH2, C double bond O, NH2 type. Like these all are weak bases. This is weak acid. For example, for this solution, I want to calculate pH value. For this solution, I want to calculate pOH. How to calculate? I cannot use that formula directly. pH is equal to minus log of H plus, because this solution concentration I cannot consider as a H plus concentration, because it won't be 100% dissociation taking place. You got my point? For that, those are trying to say one more rule is, sir, carefully see. For example, you will get idea. Sir, here I am writing. Sir, I am rubbing. Can you see? Any one weak acid I am taking, sir. See carefully. CH3COOH. This is acetic acid. CH3COOH. Sir, CH3COOH, how to dissociate means CH3COO minus and then H plus. Sir, why I written reversible reaction? Who will say this? Why I written reversible reaction? For example, when I am writing HCl, I am writing only irreversible reaction. But when I am writing that CH3COH weak acid, I am writing that reversible reaction. But when I am writing this irreversible reaction, I am writing. Why? Can anybody tell me? Why? What is the reason behind that? For strong acid, I am writing only forward. Okay. Why I am writing here backward? Who will say this? You have to say this. You think? Tell me, sir. I'll give time. See. Tell me, sir. Tell me. Sir, question was, see, weak acid I took CH3COOH, I written as a reversible reaction. This is equilibrium, means forward reaction, backward. But when I'm writing the strong acid, I didn't write backward reaction. Only forward I written. Why? Anyone? Sir, weak acid, strong acid definition, if you know, no, you will get idea. Tell me anybody. Definition itself will give that answer. Sir, strong acid is 100% dissociation taking place. No, it means the total number of H plus, then it will dissociated into 100% H plus and then 100% Cl minus. What is the necessary to come back? No use, because 100% dissociation taking place. But this is not like a partially dissociation taking place. Partially dissociation taking place. It means it is the chances will be there backward. But here is no chance. The total reactant is changes to product. Our ultimate aim is the product formation should be maximum. Here that initially only maximum is coming. Why you are going backward? Again, why you are coming forward? You got it? Now, sir, carefully in this. When I am talking about this, sir, acid here, equilibrium constant, can you write, sir? K is equal to concentration of CH3, here I will write, sir. For before, sir, at time t is equal to 0, concentration of CH3COOH is C. But what is the concentration of CH3COO minus? 0. What is the concentration of H plus? 0. Correct or not, sir? You got my point now. Now, at time t is equal to T equilibrium. At time t is equal to equilibrium. Some amount of CH3COOH is consumption taking place. You got my point, sir? Means some amount is dissociation taking place. That amount I don't know, I am writing as a all. You are able to understood. You got my point, sir? I hope you should get. Sir, here, for example, CH3COOH is there. That concentration, initial concentration is C at time t is equal to 0. But what is the concentration of CH3COO minus and then H plus at time t is equal to 0? 0, 0. Yes or no? Correct or not? You got my point, sir? Now, sir, at t is equal to t equilibrium time. It means when this reaction is present at equilibrium. What is happening? Some amount of CH3COOH is dissociation, means consumption taking place. Some amount of CH3COO minus and then H plus will be formation taking place. That dissociation, how much we don't know, then formation, how much we don't know. For that, I am writing, can you see? How much dissociation means C alpha. I will tell you, sir. Why I written as a C alpha? Alpha means degree of dissociation. In this concentration, how much degree of dissociation taking place? Here, how much formation? C alpha. How much formation? C alpha. Sir, can anybody having doubt on this? Sir, alpha means how much dissociation? Correct degree of dissociation. You got my point. Number of molecule dissociated by total number of molecule dissolved. I don't know that CH3COH, how many number of molecule dissociated or how many molecules are left over. For that, I took alpha. Alpha with respect to what? From initial concentration. You got my point, sir. For example, sir, it means this concentration, if it is 100 there, sir, 100 there, but 50% dissociation means what? 50, this is 100. 100 into 50% means what? 100 into 50 by 100, 100 will get cancelled, 50% only now. You got my point. For that, consumed concentration will be C alpha. Then formation is C alpha, C alpha. Now for this, you can write it as K. What is the formula? Concentration of CH3, COO minus, concentration of H plus, divided by what? Concentration of CH3, COOH. Anybody having doubt? You can see concentration of CH3, COO minus is C alpha. Yes. Then concentration of H plus is C alpha. Divided by, this is what is that? C minus C alpha. Can I write this is C, can I take it common 1 minus alpha? Anybody having doubt? No, see. C get cancelled. Now you will get K. Sir, whether I am talking about acid or base, acid only I am talking. For representation, Ka. Ka is equal to what will happen? C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. You got my point, sir, what I am trying to say? Yes or no? Sir, it is very simple, sir. Here, when I am talking about for weak acid, at time t is equal to 0, C concentration is there. But this is how much amount is there at time t is equal to 0? 0, 0 only. But after some time, when it is equilibrium present between this and then this, some amount of reactant consumption taking place, some amount of product formation taking place, that we know very well. But how much consumption? That indicated by degree of dissociation from initial concentration only, C minus C alpha. Then here how much consumption? That much only formation taking place, C alpha, C alpha. That I written K. Then I got Ka is equal to, what is the formula? C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. Sir, this formula is important one. That I am going to write. Can you see carefully? Ka is equal to what I am getting? C alpha square by Ka is equal to C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. Now in this, what is the C means? Concentration. What is the alpha means? Degree of dissociation. C. C means concentration. Alpha means degree of dissociation. Yes. Here Ka means acid dissociation constant. What is that? Acid dissociation constant. Sir, carefully. Why? Because acid dissociation means weak acid only, no dissociation taking place. What is the constant value while dissociation of weak acid? It means Ka is nothing but acid dissociation constant. You got my point? See, Ka is equal to what I got? C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. Even for Kb also same will get. This is acid dissociation. This is how much? Base dissociation constant. In place of acid, we will take base. The same you will get Kb is equal to C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. Kb is nothing but what? Base dissociation constant. Yes? Anybody having doubt on this? Sir, please, whether you understood this or not, how it came. If you understood means that, very good. Thank you, sir. See, Ka means acid dissociation constant, Kb means base dissociation constant. Okay. Now we will go a little bit further because we were trying to talk about pH of weak acid, pOH of weak bases. Correct? That we need to see carefully. Sir, weak acids we written weak bases also. Now can you see carefully pH of weak acid? For example, oh, okay, Bujji. Yes. Now it is fine, Bujji. Okay, thank you. See, now I am going to talk about pH of weak acid. See carefully. For example, question I am giving. In a given solution, carefully see. In a given solution, concentration of CH3 in a given solution, CH3COOH, in this solution, concentration of H plus is 10 power minus 5. What is the pH? Sir, can anybody tell me? No, that only the problem will come. Because, see sir, this is weak acid or strong acid? Weak acid. In this concentration of H plus is 10 power minus 5. You cannot say. Even 9 also wrong. I will tell you. See, because, sir, whether it is the strong, when it is strong acid is there, no. If the strong acid is there, the total solution concentration only that H plus concentration. But if this concentration of H plus, you cannot say this solution concentration, no. You got my point? Because it is not all the molecules of CH3COOH, it is no dissociation taking place. For that, you can't say pH is equal to 5. If you say pH is equal to 5, wrong. You can't use for this question. It will be how much we will see. Okay. For this. See, sir. Ka is equal to C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. For weak acid, we got no. Now, C we want. C. Here, for example, here concentration is, instead of H plus, concentration is 10 to the power of minus 5. Okay, what is the pH? Now this concentration, see, can you cross multiply it? Ka into 1 minus alpha. Okay. Now here what will happen is equal to C alpha square will be there. Okay. Or for example, we will get in different way. Okay. Sir, carefully. This only see. Ka is equal to C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. Is there. Okay. Can anybody tell me, sir, carefully, weak acid meaning is what? Who will say this? Weak acid meaning is what? Low. Very good. When the dissociation low means alpha value will be low or higher. Who will say? Alpha is equal to say low. Like, it means this alpha value can I neglect for in presence of weak acid? Not this. Can I neglect this? It means for weak acid, sir, this alpha, but not this, sir. This alpha, it means 1 minus alpha is less than 1. It means this totally becomes 1. What will happen? Ka is equal to C alpha square K marna. This is negligible, sir. Like 1 minus this is 0.1, 0.001, 0.002 will come. Almost 1. In this value, not much variable. For that, what we got, Ka is equal to C alpha square. But we want to see, no? See, in this, Ka is equal to C alpha square. Then you can make it C is equal to what will happen? Ka by alpha. Or you can find out first alpha value. Alpha square is equal to Ka by C. This is also no need. Ka is equal to C alpha square. We are getting, no, that much you understood. No, we will go. It means, sir, why I written again? I am trying to explain, because see, first point you should remember, whatever the given concentration for weak acid, you cannot consider it as a H plus concentration, because it is not 100% dissociation taking place. That is the first point. The second one is, we got this for weak acid Ka is equal to C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. You may think that for weak acid, sir, why 1 minus alpha less than 1 means, see carefully, for weak acid means very less dissociation taking place. Less dissociation taking place means alpha value is very, very less. This value is very, very less means 1 minus very, very less value, it is nearly equal to 1. Correct, no? It means this is negligible. That only I written. It means for weak acids we are getting Ka is equal to C alpha square. That clear, no? Now still we will go how to calculate pH value. Until this, anybody having doubts, sir? Now, sir, carefully. One more point. Sir, here pH of weak acid. When I am talking about pH of weak acid, compulsory I should know what is the dissociation constant of acid. How much dissociation will be there? Then only I can calculate. I want to know even degree of dissociation value also. You got my point, sir? It means how much percentage dissociation taking place I should know. What is the acid dissociation constant also I should know. Then only I can find out pH is pH of weak acid. But pH of strong acid, no need to this. Why? Because alpha value become 1. You got my point, sir? See, Ka is equal to C alpha square, no? Alpha value becomes 1 means when the alpha value 1, what will happen? Ka is equal to C. It means given concentration only acid dissociation constant. This is clear. But for this, we want to know Ka. They should give for whatever the weak acid those are given. For that, what is the Ka value they should give? What is the alpha value they should give? Yes, then only we can find out. It means that formula we can derive and then we will do that. Okay, for weak acid. I think time is only 2 minutes there, sir. If anybody having doubt, please you can tell me. The next class remaining part we will see, because time going to end. Yes.